Hey Chris, it's John. Wanted to get this video over to you, and about 5, 7 minutes or so, I'll go through this and give you a clear understanding of how to do some edits. So I know I was going to send you a different restaurant, but I didn't have the calendar feature, and I know you wanted to have that in a tutorial. So um, starting fresh here, get your website up. I did create an account for you, and to log in, you will simply go to the bottom and click on the login button on the bottom right. And I did use your email address that I have here. And the password is ABCD1234. Feel free to change that if you'd like. So when you log in, you're going to see this panel open up towards the top of the website. You're really not going to spend too much time working in here. This is if you wanted to add a feature like, adding a gallery or adding a new menu, different things like that. So when it comes to the design of the site or color schemes, that's something you kind of want us to do. But I'm just going to show you how this is built row upon row. So as you come down here, once I hover over a row, you'll notice this edit bar is going to pop up. Each row is slightly different and corresponds with whatever tool was picked here. So this actually is a hero image, this first row that you're seeing here. And you can actually see how I created that initially. Just picking an image and then putting in the content, right? So it's that same process you will use as far as the editing piece goes. So if I wanted to edit this row here, I'm just going to click on edit, and you're going to see that open up. I can make my changes. I can change the title, subtitle, right? And in fact, I want to get that out of there since we're not doing the online ordering just yet. Hopefully in a few days that we'll be good to go there. So make my adjustment and click post. This is faded out. It just means it's hidden so nobody can see it. As I mentioned, you have this hide and show feature, right? Where you can hide something and show something. This comes in handy for doing a specials menu and different things like that. So we'll talk about two things here. This is your specials row. And again, just to make this edit, you're just going to click on edit, make your adjustments, change the price, and click post. It really is that simple. As far as the calendar piece goes, I'm going to come in here and hit edit. In fact, I want to remove that image since I was just doing that as a test with you the other day. Click OK. So again, this is hidden at the moment. To edit this piece, just come right in here, click on edit. You can change the title, your dates, start time, end time, and you can choose this to hide once the event is expired. So you don't have to worry about coming back in here to delete the event. So once again, to make these edits, whether it's a row like this or a row like this, you're just going to hover over it until this bar pops up. You're going to click the edit button, and it's a pretty much what we'd call what you see is what you get type of an editor. Have some reviews down here, same thing, just set up a little different. These are actually columns. Your Facebook feed is here. On mobile, you're going to notice that it looks, of course, a little different. And you have this little navigation piece here with call, map, hours, and email. So sometimes I'll get the question, well, how do I change this, to change my hours? And again, we'll do that for you. But even from your phone, it'd take you about a minute or two to just log right in here. And if you needed to change your hours or do something quick, just come down here, click edit. My computer just froze on me. There we go. And this is that panel you saw up there with your location and your hours. So you can come right in here and choose your hours. And then when you're done, just click on Save Changes. I think that's the nuts and bolts of what you were looking for in the video. For menu changes, you're going to come right over to the menu page. Same basic concept. When you hover over here, your whole menu is going to open up. Built just like the specials menu that you see on the front of the website. You can make your changes. And then click Save, click Post, and you're good. Gallery. This has your photos. Edit. And you'll see you have 3 rows of photos here. If you wanted to add some more images, you're just going to come over to here where it says Add More Images. Click on this, and then you can browse the computer that you are on at the time. So I think that's about it. We kept this around, I think we're at the 7-minute mark or so. So I'm going to end the video and send it over to you in just a few minutes. Thanks, and talk to you soon. Bye.